Ever wondered where it all began? The complex, sleek, pocket-sized gadgets we have today trace their roots back to a not-so-distant past, a time when computers were colossal, power-hungry machines that took up entire rooms. From the 1940s to the mid-1950s, the first generation of computers was born, and they were an impressive sight to behold. Our journey starts with vacuum tube computers. This is where it all began. These machines were the earliest electronic digital computers. Colossus, ENIAC, and UNIVAC I were among the pioneers. They were gigantic, consuming a vast amount of power, and were not exactly what you'd call reliable. The delicate nature of vacuum tubes led to frequent failures, yet they were groundbreaking, heralding a new age of technology. From there, we move on to electro-mechanical computers. While not as common, these early computers incorporated electromechanical components alongside vacuum tubes. The Harvard Mark I serves as a prime example. It used a combination of relays and electromechanical switches in addition to vacuum tubes. This hybrid approach marked a significant step in the evolution of computer technology. Finally, we arrive at programmable computers. These were the machines that paved the way for modern computing. They were the first computers to be programmable using machine language or low-level assembly language. Our old friends, ENIAC and UNIVAC I, fall into this category. Although programming them was no cakewalk, it involved physically rewiring the machine or manipulating switches and dials. Despite the laborious process, these machines demonstrated the potential of programmable computing. So, there we have it. The first generation of computers. They were large, power-thirsty, and not always reliable. But they were the trailblazers. The vacuum tube computers laid the foundation. The electromechanical computers showed how different technologies could be integrated, and the programmable computers illustrated the potential of customization and flexibility in computing. These machines from the 1940s to the mid-1950s demonstrated the feasibility of electronic computing. They pushed the boundaries of what was possible despite their limitations. And in doing so, they laid the groundwork for all the technological marvels we have today. From the smartphone in your pocket to the supercomputer crunching data in a lab, they all owe a debt to these early pioneers of computing.